So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I style my TWA. On how I style my TWA. On how I style my TWA. So first, just as a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by any of the makers or the products that I will be using. So let's get started. So first, you want to start with some freshly washed hair. I have this little towel on. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and I also have a bigger one that I got from Sally. My hair has dried up a little bit from being in the towel, but it is freshly washed. I cut my hair maybe a week ago, and before I cut my hair, I had a long bang at the top, and it was shaved on the sides and the back, and I would wear braids or just feather it until not too long ago I decided I want to try being natural again. I did natural maybe like 4 years ago. I only lasted 7 months. I could not take it anymore. I am so used to my hair being slicked down. I've had a relaxed hair all my life, so it happened by accident and I didn't like it. So this time doing the big chop is something that I'm willing to do and something that I want to do, so hopefully it's a good journey for me. So first, you're gonna start off with your spray bottle, and it's just some regular water in here. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going to show you the products that I will be using. These are just the products that I'm using at the moment. I have been watching other videos on other products that I really want to try. So this is just my tutorial on these set of products. So first I'm going to be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to go in, and first I'm just putting it on my actual hair. Now I have my leave-in conditioner in, and then I'm just going to follow that by the custard from the same brand. The Cantu Define and Shine Custard for natural hair. Starting to curl. So then I just started going in circles like this around my head. Coconut oil, and I'm going to lay my edges. I went through so many different edge controls. I've tried Hicks, I've tried Gorilla Snot, I've tried Lotta Body, I've tried Cream of Nature, I've tried ORF. Then a couple years ago I came across this Softee Signature Edge Control. I used to find it in the beauty supply stores, but now I only really see it in Family Dollar. It's probably about $2, and it's clear. It works pretty okay. Like I said, nothing really works. I even tried Eco Style. Nothing works, or maybe it's just not giving me the hold that I'm used to from relaxed hair. Style my edges, I take like that much, and what I do is I just go along my edge line. I take this little comb right here, excuse the product in it, and I just start from a certain place, and I just do my swoops like that. Then I take my coconut oil, and it's just regular coconut oil in a can. I scoop it out. I get about this much, and you can already see it's starting to melt in my hand, so I just hold it in my palms and I just let it melt. But this is my routine. So hit that subscribe button, comment and tell me what you think, what products you recommend. I am willing and open to trying out new products. Please, no negative comments and no negative vibes on this channel. And see you guys next time for new products and new styles that I will be doing tutorials on. Okay guys, so here is a finished look on my hair. Okay guys, so here is a finished look at my